Welcome to this lesson on abbreviations and acronyms. In this video, we will explore commonly used shortened forms in English, including ASAP, etc., i.e., e.g., and versus. Understanding these expressions will help you communicate more effectively in written and spoken English. Let's start with the basics. An abbreviation is a shortened form of a word or phrase. For example, doctor is shortened to doctor. Mr. becomes Mr., and etc. becomes etc. Abbreviations are commonly used to save time and space in writing. Now, it's important to understand the difference between abbreviations and acronyms. Abbreviations are simply shortened forms of words, like doctor, Mrs., Mr., professor, incorporated, or limited. Acronyms, on the other hand, are words formed from the first letters of other words and are pronounced as single words. Examples include ASAP, NASA, FAQ, USA, and COVID. ASAP stands for as soon as possible. This acronym is used when you need immediate action or quick response. For example, you might say, "Please send the report ASAP," meaning you need it right away without delay. Etc., abbreviated as etc., means and so on or and the rest. Use this abbreviation when listing items and implying there are more similar items not mentioned. For instance, you might say, "Bring pens, paper, notebooks, etc." This tells the listener to bring those items plus other similar things. Now we come to two abbreviations that often confuse learners. IE stands for the Latin term id est, which means that is or in other words. It clarifies or restates what was just said. EG stands for exempli gratia, which means for example. It provides specific examples. The key difference: use IE to clarify or rephrase, and use EG to give examples. Here are two examples of how to use IE. First example: I love citrus fruits, that is, oranges, lemons, and limes. Notice how IE introduces a clarification of what citrus fruits are. Second example: she speaks multiple languages, that is, she is multilingual. Again, IE restates the previous idea in different words. Now let's see EG in action. First example: I enjoy sports, for example, soccer, tennis, and basketball. Here, EG introduces specific examples of sports. Second example: visit popular tourist destinations, for example, Paris, Tokyo, or New York. Again, EG provides particular examples to illustrate the general idea. Finally, we have versus, commonly abbreviated as VS or Vs, which means against or in comparison with. You will see this used when comparing two things. Examples include Team A versus Team B, comparing dogs versus cats, or contrasting a traditional versus modern approach. This abbreviation is very useful when discussing comparisons and contrasts.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.